Hi, I'm Liam.
And I'm Joanna.
And welcome to our new home.
Come on in! This is one of our favourite things. It's very precious to me. Our friend Jo Arbour, who we both went to college with, she's an amazing artist and illustrator. And she did this very personal Mr. and Mrs. Fox picture for our wedding, which is absolutely incredible. Look at the detail. She's so incredible. But we absolutely love this. It's pride of place in the front room.
So to most people, this should just be an old stool, you know. But to me, it's memories because I used to sit on this at my nan's in Cheadle when I was a kid, usually on the Sunday, with my cousin Julie. Have my nan's Sunday roast with my granddad. After my nan boiled the peas for about 3 hours minimum. That's peas out of tin. It's interesting cookery for you.
Another one of my favourite things, it's another picture, because it's just so nice actually that we've got the space to put our pictures up now. This is something that was made for us by our wonderful friends Mark and Jerry at Our Amazing Animal World. They run an animal sanctuary and they've been doing all sorts of things on Etsy to raise money for the rescue sanctuary. But look, it looks like Barry! So it's a lovely word art picture of Barry's face. So thank you so much to Mark and Jerry for our picture.
We have our family pictures and loads of people on there. I've got one of my mum though, she better not watch this. Oh, I should have got a good picture of mother, shouldn't I? But I've got a picture of my nan there with my granddad looking like Leonardo DiCaprio, pretty much like me, to be honest. And there's a picture of my nan with her 8 sisters. So, and a mother, my great nan. Yeah, 1895 she was born. Another item that I like, again, it's not anything particularly flash, but I like it because I'm 50 and like boring things. But it's a larder because the old owners of the house had this built, and it means I've got something in addition to my fridge to put all my healthy food in. You see, lots of herbs and oils and stuff and sauces and you know all that sort of business. Oh, and some busters and some chocky bickies. Your son put them in there, I mean, not me.
Thank you for joining us today.
Now it's time for a cup of tea, or maybe something a bit stronger.
Oh.
Bye.
Bye.